Isaiah Billy with the braids in his hand. Isaiah Billy with the braids in his hand. Natural hair flowing like the desert of sand. Weaving patterns with a steady, patient grace. Each strand a story, finding its place. The craft is ancient, passed through time and space. It's a hard-earned skill, a dedicated chase. Ooh, feel the rhythm, feel the flow. Ooh, watch the artistry start to grow. Every twist and every turn. Lessons that the hands must learn. Isaiah Bailey, natural hair braided hairstyles. Isaiah Bailey, weaving through the trials and the miles. It's a hard craft for real. It's a hard craft for real. It's a heaven, the passion you reveal. From cornrows to box braids, intricate designs. The dedication shows in the strongest of signs. Fingers moving swiftly,